In today's video, we're going to be taking this bar, installing this granite on top of it so it can match the floor of the kitchen. It looks like that back piece, comes up to the top piece. Top piece is a complete piece. That's what it looks like. I'm going to cut that groove there. So I'll splice the groove with a razor blade and just kind of like bang up on it and see how it looks. Right now I'm just checking the inside to see if there's any surprises that I need to worry about. And I'm just cutting right here just to break the paint. So when I pull this off, it don't pull off the paint at the bottom. Take a block of wood. I'm just gonna really just beat that up. See what it do. Got a little movement. Got a lot of movement that time. Okay. Do the same thing on the other side. Uh-oh, that was a wine glass. So I better remove the wine glasses out of here. So of course, even though I looked under here, I realized that all of the top of these wine glass holders are actually attached to the bottom of the top shelf. So I need to, even though I broke it a little bit, getting it off, I think I need to actually keep this top shelf and even have the magnets on there and just try to take off the sides. Yeah, that was a lot easier. Now, I think I might actually take this piece here, this lip, and maybe I'll slice that off. But I'm gonna put this piece of granite up here just to see how it looks. I have these nails in there. Let me take those off. For this job, I'll just use my multi-tool. We'll see how it looks with just putting the granite on top without sawing or cutting anything. She is heavy. Whew. Whew. She is heavy, heavy. Okay. So I just didn't like that look. So I'm going to take this piece off like I initially planned to do. It was brought to my attention that we don't even really use the wine holders under there. I don't know if I'm just taking off a layer here or the whole piece. I feel like it's just a layer, a glued layer. At this point, I think it's time to abort. I think it's time for a good old abort. But hey, we going in. We are going in. They glued this joker. We going in, y'all. We are going in. Ain't no stopping us now. This boy is on here. Whew. It's trying to whip me a little bit, y'all. It's trying to get me a little bit, but perseverance. Oh, she's coming. Okay. Oh, this thing is really on here. Whew. This is why I love to use glue, because that glue just holds. Okay. A little bit of opening right here. There we go. There. Now my top of the side is right there. You would think that this line was it, but it's not. That line is about an 1/8 inch down. So I'm going to take my framing square, go on the side because I want a square cut across the top. Go right to the top. And mark my line. Now I'll take that line, make sure it's right. Move. That's right. That's beautiful. I'll do the same thing on the other side, and then I'll snap a line on the back from here to the same on the other side and cut all of this off all the way around. I have to take it outside to make that cut, so I got to pull everything out, and so it's going to be a little while, but once I do that, I'll be back. That's the piece I got to cut off. As you see, I marked the blue line on the back. Okay, that's it with the lips cut off and the back cut off. Now I'm going to fit it on and see how this looks. And that is the final product. Oh, I like that. I really like that. So I didn't want to just sit it on top because it wouldn't have had a clean look like this. So I took the time out to cut it, to cut the sides so everything could be flush and flat. Oh, look at that. That's nice. It ties right on into the kitchen. You see that? Now, as far as the back here, it's not going flush against the wall because there's an existing outlet there that my smart lock plug is plugged into. So I might go further and cut out the back of this so this can sit flush to the wall, but I don't think it really matters. I also might get some fancy jars, decanters, or whatever you call them, to put the, some stock alcohol in like that. Could even be colored water, I don't care. Just something fancy. And I'm also going to leave it black because it does tie in nice with the black chairs and the black chairs in the kitchen. Just the overall look, I love it. Hey, if you like this video, then make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, then subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment in the comment section if you want to see any other type of videos like this where they're just short and simple. Thanks again, and till the next time.